This is an ATU E-News special report.
On Wednesday, March 11th, ATU leadership met with Bill Carpenter and his staff concerning the coronavirus. We requested that RTS develop the following steps for all employees at RTS, RTS Access, RTS Ontario, and RTS Seneca. We're doing this for the safety and concerns of our members. So what I'm going to be doing is reading from the memo that we gave RTS. So I'll get started here. 1. Provide to each employee who comes in contact with the public the following before the start of each shift. 1 2-ounce bottle of sanitizing gel for hands. Management has agreed to do this. B. Sterilizing wipes for wiping down work area surfaces. C. Small package of tissues for personal use. D. On a voluntary basis, fitting workers with N95 masks and training on the proper use. I'd just like to point out that the N95 masks are not surgical masks. These are masks that is being recommended that actually protects you. And we're asking that they order them now so they have them in case there's an outbreak. 2. Ensure hand washing facilities and/or hand sanitizer are available to all employees, and to turn on the hot water at the transit center in the employee bathrooms. Install HEPA air filters, or it's HEPA or HEPA, I'm not really sure, but we're asking them to install these air filters on buses to reduce viral and bacterial loads consistent with recommendation of the Transportation Research Board of the U.S. National Academies. Management knows what these are. 4. Clean and disinfect operator workstations before and after shift, including on-the-road reliefs, consistent with the recommendation of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, which what we're asking for, we did have discussions on this. We want to disinfect and spray in the in the operator's work area, along with some wipes. So when they take over a bus from another operator, they can disinfect the area immediately. 5. Disinfect and spray at all maintenance kiosk stations. 6. Clean and disinfect buses, garages, break rooms, equipment, and the transit center daily. Note, our RTS Seneca, our operation has no running water for the cleaning and disinfecting of buses. We just found out about this about 3 days ago. This is just unacceptable. There needs to be running water for the operators to clean the buses. 7. Buses serving high-risk populations, such as RTS Access vehicles, should be disinfected more than daily. This should include RTS Ontario and RTS Seneca vehicles that are used for paratransit services. The employees, this is known as on-demand service, but we want those buses to be cleaned more than daily. 8. Using electrostatic sprayers which positively charge the disinfectant mist so that it better coats surfaces. However, other approved methods of disinfecting buses and facilities should still be used, including wiping surfaces with disinfecting wipes. 9. Provide maintenance workers and bus operators at RTS Seneca doing cleaning and disinfection with the following: A. Protective disposable gloves. B. Protective goggles. C. Fitted N95 mask. And D. Protective gowns. 10. Excuse employees with children from work when schools and/or daycare providers are closed, with pay, full and part-time, even if the employee has used all their sick and personal time. 11. Provide training to employees of all safety procedures. 12. Keep employees updated on all developments. 13. Weekly meetings with ATU to address the status of RGRTA's preparation for a coronavirus. These are the steps that we want taken immediately. RTS has agreed to meet with us weekly. In the event of an outbreak or a cluster, we have further steps that we want taken, and there's a video on that.
This has been a production of ATU E-News.